Ever pondered over the significance of striking a balance between academics and wellness for students? In today's fast-paced world, it becomes rather tempting to let our health slide in favor of academic pursuits. However, maintaining a healthy equilibrium between these two aspects holds paramount importance in shaping a wholesome student life. Delving into the practical ways of achieving this balance, the first step involves establishing a routine. Regular sleep patterns, study hours, meal times, and leisure activities are the pillars of a well-balanced life. A structured routine not only helps in managing time efficiently, but also aids in reducing stress and enhancing productivity. Next, never underestimate the power of a healthy diet. Eating balanced meals and staying hydrated fuels the brain and body, enabling students to perform at their peak. Swap those late-night pizza slices for some fresh fruits and vegetables, and witness the difference. Incorporating physical activity into the daily routine is another important aspect. Regular exercise not only boosts physical health but also improves mental well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and improving concentration. Whether it's a quick jog around the campus, a yoga session, or just a leisurely walk, make sure to get moving. Another critical factor for balancing academics and wellness is taking time out for relaxation and hobbies. This could mean reading a book, painting, playing a musical instrument, or even just watching a favorite TV show. Such activities help in rejuvenating the mind and body, fostering creativity, and providing a much-needed break from academic pursuits. Lastly, remember to seek help when needed. Whether it's academic stress or personal issues, don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or counselors. It's okay to ask for help, and it's okay to take a break when things get tough. In retrospect, the importance of balancing academics and wellness cannot be overstated. The pillars of this balance include a structured routine, a healthy diet, regular physical activity, time for relaxation and hobbies, and seeking help when needed. Remember, the goal is not to excel only in academics at the expense of personal health, but to create a harmonious blend of both. Only then can one truly enjoy the student life and lay the foundation for a successful and healthy future. After all, as the old adage goes, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. So take care of both your mind and body, and watch as they work in tandem to help you reach new heights.